Welcome, welcome, home investors. Have you been searching for that quintessential woodland retreat? If so, you should take a look at this stunning craftsman-style custom home, perfectly designed to blend harmoniously with Montana's exquisite views and natural beauty. I'm Rachel Fedor, Realtor with Ideal Real Estate, and I'd love to take you on a tour. As we step inside this sprawling home nestled in the cozy Montana hills of Rolling Ridge Estates, we are captivated by the meticulous attention to detail. With just under 3,500 square feet of living space, you'll instantly fall in love with the bright, well-equipped kitchen, featuring a walk-in pantry and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Solid wood cabinetry and stunning natural stone countertops add elegance, while reverse osmosis at the large farm sink enhance your culinary experience. Adjacent to the kitchen, the spacious open-concept living dining area is truly an oasis. Relax and enjoy the vaulted timber ceiling, warmth of the gas freestanding stove, and wall of windows which flood this space with abundant natural light, all while taking in breathtaking mountain views. On the main level, you will also find 2 guest bedrooms, a laundry room, 3/4 bath, and a large tiled entryway with 2 closets, perfect for welcoming guests. The natural stone floors, showers, and counters harmonize beautifully with solid wood flooring, doors, trim, and cabinetry, all crafted with precision. Venturing up to the loft, you'll discover the expansive master ensuite, complete with a walk-in closet and vaulted ceiling. The ensuite bathroom features a double granite vanity, a glass and slate shower, solid wood cabinetry, and beautiful skylights that brighten the space. Descending to the lower level, you're greeted by a bright and spacious family room that boasts a freestanding wood stove, a library-style office, custom-built sauna, bonus room, 3rd 3/4 bathroom, and several utility rooms. This level also provides VIP access to the hot tub, back patio, and fire pit, ideal for relaxing and entertaining. The home boasts 2 double-car garages, one of which includes a heated hobby room, ideal for pursuing your interests year-round. Additionally, you'll find a woodshed at the back for convenient storage. The gently rolling roads of Rolling Ridge and Rolling Ridge Loop are well maintained, providing easy access, an advantage that is often hard to find in Montana's mountain properties. This craftsman home is not just a residence, it's a lifestyle. To schedule a viewing or get more information, contact me, Rachel Fedor, Realtor with Ideal Real Estate, 406-249-9839. Thank you so much for touring with me today.